Installing the Essency compared to others on the market was a lot simpler than I realized. After getting the electrical hooked up, which that part was easy as well, because it was just having the electrician do his thing from going from here and going up in the attic and dropping it down. The weight of it is real light as well. You got handles right here. After hooking up all of my manual shutoffs on the hot and cold, which all that is super simple as well. From that point on, it's the housing unit for the electrical. That part has got instructions on it, so that was a lifesaver. Other than that, it's pretty much going here and making sure that she's got all the Wi-Fi stuff and all that all set up. I love the fact how long this will last compared to a regular tank. I mean, every water heater, besides this one, is made out of steel or some type of metal that at some point it's going to rust, change the color of the water. We're having to go back and unclog, shower heads, faucets because of all the sediment buildup. This product right here, you don't have to worry about that. The Essency unit itself is a lot easier. It really is just super simple. Everything is right there for you. Your hot and cold is even labeled for you. That just really made it plug and play.